What's up, guys? The camera cut out there at the end of the last video, but I was just saying the screwdriver, it's just microscopic, like, that's my hand. You don't want something that you can put too much torque on. You're just gonna break stuff. Same with working on small engines, motorcycles, stuff like that. Usually I go by Newton meters because it's a lot more accurate than like pounds per square inch. Anyways, we're gonna do an unboxing here. Alright. The box is already opened, as you can see. But I just want to show you the amount of stuff that came with these back in the day. The SLI bridges, they came with SLI compatible motherboards. I know Ace has shipped it probably with every SLI or Crossfire board. They probably shipped the bridge, I'm not sure on AMD though. And then driver CD. Intelligent Innovation. Gaming, imaging, 3D video, entertainment, photos, graphics. Oh boy. It's got EVGA's headdress on it. What's in this? What's in this bad boy? Let's check her out one-handed here right quick. Oh yeah, unplug it, turn stuff off. Yeah. Don't plug an 8-pin into a 6-pin. Meh. SLI instructions, lol. SLI what? Look at that. Imagine. Oh man. Actually, since we're on the subject of SLI, really quickly, there's my unfortunate P8Z77-V LK. I don't know if you can see those CPU pins, but they're bad. And there's a cap missing down here. And I think one of the PCI lanes is disconnected. Possibly. She had a rough go. But now it's just being used as an ATX template while I mod cases and make them more energy efficient, fan efficient, heat efficient, everything. That's basically going to be my main rig when I'm done with it. It's got a long ways to go though. I haven't worked on it in a while. There's some junk here. The old GT1030. There's a beauty. This thing here is actually probably the best purchase I've ever made in my life, and I don't even use the backplate on it. Accelero Extreme 4. Man, this thing, if you know what you're doing and you make sure you cool your memory chips and you have high airflow in your case in general, this thing, I don't know if anything beats it. I got a 1650 that pulls 120 watts, and it's just a GDDR6 version, not the super, just the basic 1650. Anyways, I've got this on it. It's not even qualified to be on it. I just modified it so it would fit. And I also didn't use the backplate. You can see the backplate. It's legit aluminum. I've scraped it to see what it's made out of. I'm not going to open the box though, because that, yeah. And power supplies and shit. All kinds of random stuff. The old Xbox controller. I actually don't mind the new Xbox controllers. I think they actually might be better than the 360. Somehow it's just the D-pad on it. I love it. Alright. And this is the wife's current motherboard. Again, it's crossfire ready. It's not too old of a board. What is that? 3 generations? Around 600 now. But anyways, she's got some pretty... She's just got a ridiculous... unbalanced build. Like, way too much RAM, not enough CPU, not enough GPU. But you can open literally 300 tabs in Mozilla and stream a 4K video at the same time, and it doesn't even care. And all it is a GT1030, 2 Kingston HyperX Predator 16 gig sticks, and 2, what are they, Team Group Force maybe from like 2016, like old DDR4, old stuff. DDR3. I'll show you where that is at one of these days. This was going to be a more GPU video, but it kind of just turned into me rummaging through, see what I got for projects on the go. Yeah, it's a shame about the motherboard though. It really is. I delidded the i5 3570K. Had the Noctua NHD14, lapped it. Was gonna do direct die air cool, and I was already running like 4.7 gigahertz on air with like 1.27 volts, and there was guys running like 1.35 volts in those damn things. I think I could have hit almost 5 gigahertz on air. I know that's wishful, but probably would have been in the 29s anyways, I would assume. But yeah, it worked good. I just ran 2 DIMMs in it too. Never had a problem with it. Ran Witcher 3, friggin'. That was my rig until like last year. But yeah, anyways. We'll just take a quick little jaunt. Oh, what do we got? Oh. Snoozing away. Loving life. There's the wife's 12400F. And the B660. Stupid Intel stealing AMD's naming scheme. Anyways, that is an Asus pre-built from 2000. I don't even remember. I'll have to look into it and let you guys know. But it was a Pentium single core, the P4PEX Asus motherboard, server motherboard. It's got like 6 PCI slots in it. It's ridiculous. It's gigantic. Thing is crazy. Anyways, yes, this still has a CD drive in it, because just in case we want to watch, I don't know, whatever. We've got a very extensive movie collection. And there's her Xbox controller, receiver. That's the charger for her tablet. Or not tablet, sorry. Keyboard, if I can find it. Here it is. These were at Best Buy for $14 a piece. We bought 6 of them. At the same local Best Buy. So yeah, they've been working out pretty good. The touchpad's actually really good. No problems with it. It's got media on it, shortcuts for internet, everything. It's actually, if you set up the hotkeys on this is actually extremely good. Like, listen. Every button is just crispy. and awesome. Alright. I just turned hers on by mashing all those buttons. But, yeah, there's her 4K 50-inch TV. And I slapped a cyberpunk wallpaper on it for her. This was where my setup was. I'm coming back eventually. I just needed more room to work on stuff. There's just fans and everything everywhere. Like, these are all just brand new. Like, this one's dirty, but it's basically brand new. This is a Hyper T2. I got it for $15 at a pawn shop in the city, brand new. And it will work. I had it on the... Actually, it supports 1155 all the way... No, is it 1155? No, LGA 1200 and AM4. AM4, you put a bracket through these and then it clips onto the two black things on your motherboard. I don't know if Corsair makes quality fans like this anymore, because I literally have like almost nothing left of theirs that I've bought over the last 10 years. It's all broke. That's a fan. You want to hear something loud? This. You want to see the NHD14 just haul ass? You put this on her and just let her run 12 volts. I also have some DCs here somewhere. Where are they? That's a Samsung Galaxy Tab 2 with Android 4.2 on it. No longer supported by the App Store, but I got her working so I can at least browse the internet on it and watch YouTube. Oh, here we go. Motherload, boys. Look at that. That was in the house that me and my wife bought in 2012. It's just like brand new. Like, I have no idea what happened to the rest of the computer. This was just downstairs when I was cleaning up. Old ball mouse. I wish it had a scroll. If it had a scroll button, I'd be using it. For sure. For sure. And then I got a... you're never going to be able to read that. It's a Magica Android box. I don't remember what processor it is. I think it has Android 8 on it, but the sweet part is the expandable hard drive. I just don't know what speed it runs at. I don't know much about this device at all. I know I modified it for airflow, because that's what I do. As you can see, it looks like it's been shot by a shotgun, but that was really just me drilling the holes all through it, as many as possible. And it's only got 1 gig LAN. Her computer's also only got 1 gig LAN. And we got the classic Microsoft whatever it is. You can't kill this thing, man. Same set of batteries lasting it for 5 years. What is it? Oh man, the focus. See if I can read the... Oh my god, the part number's wearing off. It's like a X82305. X823035-002. Yes, sir. Manufactured 12th month, 2012. Love it. Love it. Keep that old technology going, boys. So everybody's got to start doing. Stop buying all this new stuff. You don't need 280 Hz monitors and stuff. If you think you do, you're just bad at gaming. you're looking for an excuse. I face rolled people in World of Warcraft PvP, fucking you name it. First person shooters, just face rolling, 60 hertz, whatever. New technology come out, fuck it. 10 years later, I'm still running the 560 and a 1080p monitor. And then I finally upgraded last year. But anyways. Yeah, well, I think we're gonna end this one here for now. Wife's new Bluetooth mouse. It's a, I can't remember what model it is. I don't want to blind myself with the light. It's actually a Microsoft mouse, so it's like the $30 Bluetooth mouse. It's actually extremely good. It'll work on glass. It's pretty decent. But yeah, there's her desk, if you want to call it that. She's busy working all week, so. But anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.